Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I was watching Carol and she took one of these Dollar Tree Santas, and normally I can't find anything that any of you guys share with us, but as soon as I saw that video before work, I ran out to a Dollar Tree that's not near me. It's about an hour away, but that's where I was going to be working. So I ran into that store and oh my gosh, okay, so I found stuff that you guys show online. I love that store. She transformed this Santa Claus into a really cute wall piece. So I ran out, I followed her tutorial, and I made my own Santa Claus. So let me show you my Santa Claus that I made. Mine's just a tad bit different than hers, but this is my Santa Claus, guys. Oh my gosh. I had so much fun making this guy. I followed her tutorial for the eyes as well, and it came out really good. And this is how she made hers, except of course her paper is different, and she used glitter for the brim of the hat and the ball. I used glitterific for mine because I didn't have any of that chunky glitter. And yeah, so she put greenery right here. I did not have any. That's another thing that I had gone to look for, and I didn't find it at our local Dollar Tree. So I just put some of the twigs in there, the glittered twigs, a couple of leaves from the Heartfelt Creations die set that I just picked up with the mold. So I made some gold holly leaves. I made a flower, and I used some of the holly berries that I did get from Dollar Tree. And then when I looked at him, I thought, he looks so young. So I had to make some glasses for him. So I made some glasses, and he's got his glasses on. I just thought that was so cute. But then I thought, Mrs. Claus needs to be with him. So I made Mrs. Claus as well out of the same Mr. Santa Claus. Okay, so let me show you Mrs. Claus. And here she is, guys. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I love the way she turned out. So as you can tell, I removed the beard part, and it was, these are really not that hard to cut and shape. So I cut the beard off and made her face round. Let me tell you what I used. I used the Surprise Creations. This is an egg dye that I've had for a couple of years now. So I used the largest one, and I traced the bottom to get, I can't freehand anything. So I traced the bottom of the largest egg right here. I traced it onto the wood right here. And then I simply cut off the little beard. Okay, and I made her face round. So that's all I did. I used my cutter, my utility knife, and I went around the trace line, and then I used my pliers to kind of finish cutting it off, and then I used some sandpaper to get a smooth edge. That's all I did, guys. I didn't do anything. And then I did flip her hat around because his hat was going, the ball was going this way. I wanted hers to go this way. And I flipped the brim of the hat as well, just so they would, match each other in opposite directions. But anyway, so, and when I made her, she's the reason I made the glasses, because she looked really super young, and she still does, but hey. So I cut out some lips, and I used the white gel pen, to put little lines around her lips, and then the center of her lips, and put a little shine, a little gloss on there. And I used some Torian velvet to, she didn't have any of the stitch lines that he does. I did everything the same, except she kind of, I flipped her over, you know, instead of leaving it this way, I flipped it over this way. So I just thought she came out so cute. Let me show you the back. This is the back. I did sand these down. These are the where it was glued together, and it, you know, honestly just doesn't matter because it's the back, but I mean, it just doesn't look bad. So, oh my gosh, guys, Carol, if you watch this, thank you so much. I appreciate the tutorial because this was so much fun. So in her tutorial, when she's making the Santa Claus, in the end she mentions what the next project is going to be. So I also made the next project. So my next Dollar Tree Tuesday project share is going to be the snowman. So there is my project share for the day, guys. Oh my gosh, I just love how they turned out. I'm going to make another set. I'm going to make a traditional colors, red and green, and we'll see what that one looks like. But this was so much fun, guys. I hope you will go check her out. I will link her in the description box, the specific video to her Santa Claus. And I don't have a video on this, but you know, it's self-explanatory. You know, I just told you how to cut her face, and it's really not hard at all. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And Carol, again, thank you so much. This was so much fun. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.